Start by pulling the carpet back to remove the 4 bolts from the body bracket. Remove the 3 pivot points of the stock linkage. Remove the bolt and 2 nuts on the transfer case bracket. Remove the stock transfer case shifter arm. Install the new shifter arm in the same orientation as the old one. Install the new transfer case shifter bracket. With a friend, install the new body bracket with the tab facing forward and up. Route the cable through the body bracket and install the jam nut and clevis. Do the same for the transfer case bracket. Install the supplied bushing in the shifter arm. Attach both ends of the cable and adjust for proper travel.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.